If you want to know how I made a $19,000 dress for only $74, keep on watching. Hi everyone, my name is Charmaine, aka Black Charmer. This video is all about how I made a $19,000 dress for only $74. This video kind of went viral for me, I guess, in my views on TikTok. I wasn't really getting a crazy amount of views until this one video. I did a recreation video of a Dolce & Gabbana dress that Marsai Martin wore. I'll put a picture here. And that video amassed, it almost has 130,000 views. Insane. I wanted to create a video a little bit about the process of how I made the dress and just what inspired me to make it. I was really inspired to create this dress because I saw Marsai wear it. I feel like I saw it when she first wore it in a TikTok video, but I just kept it in the back of my mind and I was like, I love that dress so much. And then I was like, I could definitely make that dress. And at the time when I decided to get the materials together to make the dress wasn't online anymore. I had to do a little bit of digging on Instagram to see how much the dress actually cost. And from all the comments that I saw, the dress cost $19,000. I love DIYs. I've always loved making my own clothes ever since I was little, and I just thought this was the perfect piece to DIY. But here's the dress in all its glory. So I wanted to go a little bit through the items that I use to make the dress. So first off, black turtleneck dress from Amazon. This dress was $35. I got gems from Hobby Lobby. All these different boxes of gems. They're about $8.99. I bought 3 of them. And then glue. So I bought some glue. I believe I used E6000. Don't think I'm gonna use that glue again because it is very fragrant, but I did use E6000 to make this dress. So a little bit about the design process of how I made the dress. I'm gonna insert some clips here so you can see exactly how I was looking at the Dolce & Gabbana dress in some photos and then was just eyeing it honestly and just kind of making sure that the bodice looked very similar to Marsai's dress, but the rest of it I kind of just had fun with it. I tried to get some of the sleeves to look really similar, but definitely the bodice I tried to mimic as much as possible. I got a lot of really great questions about the dress on my TikTok, so let me know if you all have any questions about the dress and how I made it. I'd love to do another Q&A about it if you all are curious. But I'm really excited to continue making these recreation videos. I have so many ideas in mind and I have another recreation coming out very soon, so stay tuned. And if you want to keep up with me, you can find me on TikTok and Instagram and here on YouTube at Black Charmer. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!